Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In this video, I would like to show you how to set up Claude Code using the Claude desktop app. So in the desktop app, you will be able to run Claude Code, Claude Chat, and also Claude Cowork. So let's go ahead and get started. So what you see here is I am directed to code.claude.com, docs, and then desktop quick start. So what you see here is simply you can install the Claude desktop app, either if you're running on Mac OS or you're running it on Windows. So here I'm running it on Windows. You can just simply click on Windows here. You should get a downloadable, executable Claude setup, basically. You can just go ahead, click on it. It's going to launch Claude here for you. And you will need to log in with your email and also upgrade to the Pro account. You can just say yes. Please note that I already have it installed, right? So this is just, you can just simply follow along with the setup here instructions. And once you do that, you should be directed to the Claude desktop app that simply looks like this, okay? What you see here is once you log in, of course, you need to log in here. And I mentioned and also upgrade to the Pro plan, which is only at $20 per month. Please note that here I actually ran out of tokens, so I had to upgrade to the Max plan. Once you upgrade to the Pro plan, you should be able to see here Pro plan written under your name, basically. Once you do that, you should be directed to the Claude desktop app, and you should see on the top here, you have the chat option. You can just simply use it like ChatGPT, basically. You can also set up with Claude Cowork, which is an agentic, basically, framework that is also built on Claude Code, where you can give it a goal or a task, and then you have a team of agents that can build Excel files for you. They can also create PowerPoint presentations and do an entire workflow end-to-end. Please note that here, I'm going to primarily focus on Claude Code. So if you go ahead and click on Claude Code, here we go. Now you should be able to be directed to here. And what I wanted to do is I actually wanted to maybe test Claude Code quickly, just to make sure everything is running. So what you see here is first, you can select the type of model to run. So for example, I'm going to select Opus 4.6 with 1 million context window. This is kind of the latest and greatest model as we speak right now by Anthropic. You can also select the reasoning effort as well. Like it's what we call it extended thinking. So you can just set it to medium for now. What you could do as well is now you can allow or run Claude Code in plan mode to create a plan for you. You can also set it to auto accept edits. You can also ask it to ask you for permissions. All right, so to test out Claude Code, which is running in my desktop app, what I'm going to do is I'm going to navigate to my desktop and I'm going to create a new folder. I'm going to call it, for example, Claude Code testing. And I'm going to say, for example, desktop app. Okay, so I just created an empty folder here. What you need to do is I'm going to come back to my Claude Code. I'm going to navigate and direct Claude Code to work inside that empty folder that I just created. So I'm going to say, okay, Claude Code testing app. I'm going to say select folder. And here we go. Now simply Claude Code has access to that folder. And now you can just prompt it. So let me show you. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to prompt it with this prompt. So basically, I'm going to say, okay, I'm run a personal finance coaching service. I'm going to call it Wealth Path. I wanted to create a single file called wealthpath.html, simply a landing page. And I want you to have here the output is going to be a one landing page for a real fintech product. And this is going to be kind of how I'm structuring the page. I want to have, let's say, a tagline on top. I want to ask it questions, right, for the monthly income, for savings, for goal. And I'm going to create a dashboard that can show the income, can show savings, and so on. So I'm just going to copy this prompt. I'm going to come back. I'm going to paste it here. I'm just going to click run. It's going to tell me, sure, do you want to trust that? I'm going to say, sure, trust the workspace. And this is simply how you can run Claude Code and create landing pages without even writing a single line of code. So what you see here, you should see that it's actually Claude Code started to think, basically. You can see also that's going to start leveraging skills. But here, you just let it run. So it seems that everything is working. So what you see is now Claude Code basically started to use tokens here. You can see how many tokens are being used. You can see kind of starts to show you thinking. For example, I'm building that premium fintech grade single page. If you wanted to preview that page, you can just click on preview. And now you should be able to see basically Claude Code generating or writing code based on your description in plain English. And now it's going to set up that preview for you. Please note that this is going to take a few minutes for it to run. So I'm going to pause the video and I will be back once the landing page is created. All right, and look at this beautiful landing page that has been created. It's basically followed my instructions, so you can see wealth path here. You also see it's showing you kind of the how many savings, for example, goal achieved, and so on. If you click on begin your assessment, now it's going to ask you, okay, what is your monthly income? So I'm going to say, for example, 5,000. I'm going to say continue. What are your monthly expenses? I'm going to say, for example, 4,000. I'm going to say enter. So it looks like it's functional. How much do you have in savings? I'm going to say maybe, let's say 10,000, for example. I'm going to say continue. And it's going to tell me what's your goal. I'm going to say, for example, I wanted to save more. And I'm going to say, see my results. And look at this beautiful summary page that's going to show you all the income here. All the numbers were correct. You can also see as well the savings rate, how much savings I'm doing. It's giving you as well personalized recommendations. It's also showing you here if you wanted to book a free consultation as well. Please note that this page has also been created here in the same empty desktop that I created. So if you go ahead and click on it, now you should see the landing page here. And of course, you can go ahead and do the assessment again. So congratulations. Now you have been able to get Claude desktop app and of course, Claude Code up and running. And we have been able to test it out as well. With that, that's all I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next one.